name is Preeti Kumar. I'm a behavior specialist here at Little Works in Progress. I will be going over the science of applied behavior analysis. Some common misconceptions about ABA are, most people believe that ABA is just one treatment. However, ABA is a combination of multiple techniques, multiple procedures through which we can change behavior for the better. ABA emphasizes the use of reinforcement or praising the child for doing what they have done rather than emphasizing what they have not done. For example, when I'm working with a child during a discrete child instruction training, suppose he's learning to tap the table. If I tell him tap table and he does it independently, then he gets lots and lots of praise. If he does it with my help, he still gets praise, but maybe not as much as he would have if he had done it independently. Thus, ABA puts a lot of emphasis on independent responding because ABA focuses not on the disorder, it focuses on behavior itself. The ABCs of ABA. Antecedent is the action or the event that takes place immediately before a behavior happens. Behavior is the observable actions of the child. The consequence is what happens immediately after the behavior. For example, if a child is in math class and he's given a worksheet and told by the teacher to do the worksheet, and he engages in a tantrum and the teacher tells him to go stand outside in the hall. The antecedent in this scenario would be that the teacher placed the worksheet on his desk. The behavior would be the tantrum of the child, and then the consequence would be him being sent out in the hallway. While most people may view consequences as always being negative, in behavior analysis, consequences can be reinforcement, which is a reward, or they can be a punishment. Whether a consequence is a reinforcement or punishment depends upon whether the behavior increased or decreased. The next day, during math class, if the kid doesn't engage in that tantrum, or over time, sometimes it takes a while, but over time, if his behavior, like his tantrum during math class, is decreasing, then we know that that consequence of being sent out in the hallway was a punishment, because punishment by definition decreases behavior. If the child keeps throwing a fit and he's getting sent out in the hallway, well, basically the child is getting his purpose fulfilled. He's getting out of math class, which is probably what he wanted to do anyway. He didn't want to do that worksheet. Teacher said go out in the hallway. Oh, there you go, I don't have to do my worksheet now. So that would actually be reinforcement for him, because reinforcement increases the behavior. By understanding ABCs of ABA, we can understand why the behavior is occurring and how to either increase it if we want it to increase or decrease it if we want it to decrease. My name is Preeti Kumar. I am a behavior specialist here at Little Works in Progress.